Hi guys, today I'm going to cover Harihar Kaka pages 5 to 8. In the previous video I had covered pages 1 to 4, and in case you have any doubts and suggestions or anything extra that you want me to explain, please do let me know. हरिहर काका जिस वक्त यह सब बोल रहे थे उस वक्त ठाकुरबाड़ी के पुजारी जी उनके दालान पर ही विराजमान थे. The time when he was telling all this in anger, at that time, the Pujariji of the temple, he was sitting in his courtyard. Dalan means balcony or courtyard, and Virajaman means he was sitting there. वार्षिक हुमाद के लिए वह घी और शकील लेने आए थे. He had come there to collect ghee, that is clarified butter, and shakil means jaggery for the yearly puja. Now, in that puja, a fire is lit and materials are offered to the fire. So, for that purpose, that is known as humad, and for that purpose, the Pujari ji had come there. Varshik humad means yearly. लौटकर उन्होंने महन जी को विस्तार के साथ सारी बात बताई. When he returned to the temple, he went and told everything to the main priest in detail. विस्तार के साथ means in detail. उनके कान खड़े हो गए. He just became very alert. कान खड़े हो जाना is a मुहावरा. It can come in the exam. It means सतर्क होना या to become alert. वह दिन उन्हें बहुत शुभ महसूस हुआ. And the chief priest found that particular day to be very auspicious. शुभ means auspicious. महसूस हुआ means he felt. उस दिन को उन्होंने ऐसे ही गुजर जाने देना उचित नहीं समझा. He did not consider it appropriate to let that particular day just pass off. गुजर जाने देना means to let it just pass off. तत्क्षण टीका तिलक लगा, कंधे पर रामनामी लिखी चादर डाल ठाकुर बारी से चल पड़े. Immediately he just put a tika on his forehead. Actually, children, tika tilak means with sandalwood or with saffron, a particular symbol is made on the forehead, especially made by very religious people. That is known as tika tilak. So he put that, applied that on his forehead, and on his shoulders he took a wrap of cloth on which Ram, the name of God, was written. Wearing that, he just walked away from the temple, that is Thakur Bari. संयोग अच्छा था. It was a good coincidence. संयोग means coincidence. हरिहर के दालान तक नहीं जाना पड़ा. He did not have to go till the courtyard of हरिहर. रास्ते में ही हरिहर मिल गए. He met हरिहर on the way. गुस्से में घर से निकल वह खलिहान की ओर जा रहे थे. After that particular incident where he threw the plate in the middle of the courtyard because he was served very bad and dry food, he walked towards the barn. लेकिन महंत जी ने उन्हें खलिहान की ओर जाने नहीं दिया. But महंत जी or the chief priest did not let him go to the barn. अपने साथ ठाकुर बारी पर लेते आए. He brought him to the ठाकुर बारी with him. फिर एकांत कमरे में उन्हें बैठा, खूब प्रेम से समझाने लगे. And then he made Harihar Kaka sit in a lonely room and very lovingly started making him understand. यहाँ कोई किसी का नहीं है. Here no one belongs to anyone. सब माया का बंधन है. Everything is a illusion. It's a bondage of illusion. Maya means illusion and bandhan means bondage. तू तो धार्मिक प्रवृत्ति का आदमी है. You are a religious person. मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं कि तुम इस बंधन में कैसे फंस गए. I can't understand how you got caught in this bondage. ईश्वर में भक्ति लगाओ. Pray to God or worship God. उसके सिवाय कोई तुम्हारा अपना नहीं. Other than God, no one is yours. पत्नी, बेटे, भाई, बंधु सब स्वार्थ के साथी हैं. Your wife, children, your relatives and brothers, all are friends of selfishness. जिस दिन उन्हें लगेगा कि तुमसे उनका स्वार्थ सधने वाला नहीं, उस दिन वे तुम्हें पूछेंगे तक नहीं. The day he comes to know that you will not let them fulfill their selfish motives, they will not even ask you about your health or about your wellness. इसीलिए ज्ञानी, संत, महात्मा ईश्वर के सिवाय किसी और से प्रेम नहीं लगाते. That is the reason why knowledgeable people, ज्ञानी means knowledgeable people, sant, saints, mahatma, great people, they do not love anyone else other than God. ईश्वर के सिवाय means other than God. तुम्हारे हिस्से में 15 भीगे खेत हैं. You have 15 hectares of land. किसी के चलते तुम्हारे भाई के परिवार तुम्हें पकड़े हुए हैं. Just because of this reason only, your brother's family is not leaving you. तुम एक दिन कहकर तो देख लो कि अपना खेत उन्हें ना देकर दूसरे को लिख दोगे, वह तुमसे बोलना बंद कर देंगे. Just one day, just tell them that you will not give all your land and field to them, you will give it to somebody else. You just see, they'll stop even talking to you. This the chief priest was telling Harihar Kaka. खून का रिश्ता खत्म हो जाएगा. Blood relation will finish then and there itself. खून का रिश्ता means blood relation. तुम्हारे भले के लिए मैं बहुत दिनों से सोच रहा था, लेकिन संकोचवश नहीं कह रहा था. I was thinking to tell you about all this from a long time, but because of hesitation, I was not able to tell you. संकोचवश means because of hesitation. आज कह देता हूं, तुम अपने हिस्से का खेत ठाकुर जी के नाम पर लिख दो. Today I just want to tell you that you write the land which belongs to you in the name of Thakur ji, that is God. Write it to the temples. सीधे बैकुंठ को प्राप्त करोगे. You will straight go to heaven. बैकुंठ means heaven. महाविष्णु's abode. तीनों लोक में तुम्हारी कीर्ति जगमगा उठेगी. Your fame will spread in all the three worlds. कीर्ति means fame. जगमगा उठेगी means it will spread or it will lighten up. जब तक चांद सूरज रहेंगे, तब तक लोग तुम्हें याद करेंगे. As long as sun and moon are there, people will remember you. ठाकुर जी के नाम पर जमीन लिख देना तुम्हारे जीवन का महादान होगा. To write your land in the name of God will be the biggest donation of your life. साधु संत तुम्हारे पांव पखारेंगे. All the saints, everybody will serve you like anything. पांव पखारना means to respect and to serve someone. That is also मुहावरा, children. सभी तुम्हारा यशोगान करेंगे. Everybody will praise you. तुम्हारा यह जीवन सार्थक हो जाएगा. This life of yours will become meaningful. अपनी शेष जिंदगी तुम इसी ठाकुर बारी में गुजारना. तुम्हें किसी चीज की कमी नहीं होगी. The rest of your life you spend in this ठाकुर बारी only. You will not be short of anything. एक मांगोगे तो 4 हाजिर की जाएंगी. If you ask for one thing, you will get 4 things. हम तुम्हें सिर आंखों पर उठाकर रखेंगे. And we will respect you tremendously. Here children, सिर आंखों पर उठाकर रखना, that is also a मुहावरा. This means to give someone a lot of respect. किसी को बहुत आदर देना. And the other one, as I told you, पांव पखारना means to serve someone or to give a lot of respect to someone. ठाकुर जी के साथ साथ तुम्हारी आरती भी लगाएंगे. Along with ठाकुर जी the God, we will worship you as well. तुम्हारी आरती भी लगाएंगे. भाई का परिवार तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं करेगा. But your brother's family will not do anything for you. पता नहीं पूर्व जन्म में तुमने कौन सा पाप किया था कि तुम्हारी दोनों पत्नियां अकाल मृत्यु को प्राप्त हुई. God knows what sin you had done in your previous birth that both your wives, they died untimely. पूर्व जन्म means previous birth. पाप means sin. दोनों पत्नियां अकाल मृत्यु means untimely death. तुमने औलाद का मुंह तक नहीं देखा. You did not even see the face of your child. अपना यह जन्म तुम अकारत न जाने दो. Don't let this life of yours go useless. अकारत means useless. ईश्वर को एक भर दोगे तो 10 भर पाओगे. If you give one thing to God, you will get 10 things in return. मैं अपने लिए तो तुमसे मांग नहीं रहा हूँ. I am not asking you to write this name to the temple, write the land that you have to the temple, sorry. I'm not saying that you do it for me. It's not for me that I'm asking you to do it. तुम्हारा यह लोक और परलोक दोनों बन जाए, इसकी राह मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. I'm telling you the way how you can make your life successful in this world as well as in the other world, that is after death, wherever we go. हरिहर देर तक महन जी की बातें सुनते रहे. For a long time he kept on listening to the priest. महन जी की बातें उनके मन में बैठती जा रही थी. And whatever महन जी was talking or telling him, he was almost accepting them. मन में बैठती जा रही थी means he was almost accepting it. ठीक ही तो कह रहे हैं महन जी. He felt as if whatever महन जी was telling was right. कौन किसका है? Who belongs to whom in this world? 15 बीघे खेत की फसल भाइयों के परिवार को देते हैं, तब तो कोई पूछता नहीं. अगर कुछ ना दें तब क्या हालत होगी? He was thinking, the harvest from 15 hectares of his field, he gives it to his brother's family, but still no one cares for him. And if he doesn't give them anything, what will be his condition? He was just thinking about that. उनके जीवन में तो यह स्थिति है. मरने के बाद कौन उन्हें याद करेगा? When he is alive, this is his condition. After death, who's going to remember him? सीधे सूधे उनके खेत हड़प जाएंगे. Straight away they'll just grab his fields. हड़प जाएंगे means grab. ठाकुर जी के नाम लिख देंगे तो पुश्तों तक लोग उन्हें याद करेंगे. And Harihar Kaka started thinking, yes, it's right. If I write this in the name of Thakur ji, definitely people will remember him for generations. पुश्तों तक means for generations. अब तक के जीवन में तो ईश्वर के लिए उन्होंने कुछ किया नहीं. Till now in his life he has not done anything for God. अंतिम समय तो यह बड़ा पुण्य कमा ले. Okay, at this age, during the last stages of his life, at least he can earn some virtue. लेकिन यह सोचते हुए भी हरिहर काका का मुंह खुल नहीं रहा था. Even though he was thinking of all these things, but he was not opening his mouth. मुंह खुल नहीं रहा था means he was not opening his mouth. भाई का परिवार तो अपना ही होता है. Then later on he started thinking, but brothers, परिवार और family, what come what may, it is his. उनको ना देकर ठाकुरबाड़ी में दे देना उनके साथ धोखा और विश्वासघात होगा. If I don't give the land to them, instead of that I give it to Thakurbari, it would be like deception and betrayal to them. So his mind was totally in a confusion. धोखा means deception, विश्वासघात means betrayal. अपनी बात समाप्त कर महन जी प्रतिक्रिया जानने के लिए हरिहर की ओर देखने लगे. And the chief priest, after finishing his talks, in order to know the reaction, he carefully looked at हरिहर काका. प्रतिक्रिया means reaction. उन्होंने मुंह से तो कुछ नहीं कहा, लेकिन उनके चेहरे के परिवर्तित भाव महन जी की अनुभवी आंखों से छिपे न रह सके. Even though हरिहर काका did not say anything with his mouth, but Mahan ji's experienced eyes, from that he could not hide the changes on his face, the change of emotions on his face. Parivartit bhav means changed emotions. Anubhavi aankhein means experienced eyes. अपनी सफलता पर महन जी को बहुत खुशी हुई. महन जी felt as if Harihar Kaka is agreeing with him completely, and that he felt that he'll definitely write his land in the name of God. So, and he was very happy with his success. उन्होंने सही जगह वार किया है. They thought, okay, they hit हरिहर काका at the right place. इसके बाद उसी वक्त ठाकुरबाड़ी के 2 सेवकों को बुलाकर आदेश दिया कि एक साफ सुथरे कमरे में पलंग पर बिस्तरा लगाकर उनके आराम का इंतजाम करें. And then at that time he immediately called 2 of his servants and ordered them that Harihar Kaka be taken to a room where they should arrange for a neat and clean cot, they should make his bed on that, and then they should make arrangement for his taking rest. Palang means cot, bistara means bed, साफ सुथरा कमरा means neat and clean room. फिर तो महन जी के कहने में जितना समय लगा था उससे कम समय में ही सेवकों ने हरिहर काका के मना करने के बावजूद, then what happened is that the time Mahanji took to tell this, in lesser than that much of time, these servants, they took Harihar Kaka to a particular room which was neat and clean and where the bed was made, and it was a beautiful room, and they made him lie down on the cot. और Mahanji, and what happened to the priest? उन्होंने पुजारी जी को यह समझा दिया कि हरिहर के लिए विशेष रूप से भोजन की व्यवस्था करें. And he made the pujari understand that he should make special arrangement for food for Harihar Kaka. भोजन means food and व्यवस्था means arrangement. हरिहर काका को महन जी एक विशेष उद्देश्य से ले गए थे, इसीलिए ठाकुर बारी में चहल पहल शुरू हो गई. Now Mahanji had taken Harihar Kaka to Thakur Bari with a special purpose in his mind. That is why in Thakur Bari, people became active. The hustle bustle started and people started talking about it. Vishesh Uddeshya means purpose, special purpose. Chahal Pahal Shuru Ho Gaye means hustle bustle started. इधर शाम को हरिहर काका के भाई जब खलिहान से लौटे तब उन्हें इस दुर्घटना का पता चला. On the other side, in Harihar Kaka's house, when his brothers returned from the barn in the evening, they came to know about this mishappening. Here, Durghatna is mishappening. And children, you know what the mishappening is, right? When Harihar Kaka was served very dry and tasteless food, he threw the plate in the center of the courtyard. That is the mishappening, and he walked away from there. पहले तो अपनी पत्नियों पर वे खूब बरसे, फिर एक जगह बैठकर चिंतामग्न हो गए. Initially, they became very angry and they shouted at their wives, but later on they sat at one place and became thoughtful. Khoob barse means they became very angry and shouted at them. Chintamagna means thoughtful. हालांकि गांव के किसी व्यक्ति ने भी उनसे कुछ नहीं कहा था. Even though not even a single person in the village had told them anything. महन जी ने हरिहर काका को क्या क्या समझाया है इसकी भी जानकारी उन्हें नहीं थी. Now they were thinking what Mahanji has made Harihar Kaka understand. They did not have any knowledge about it. जानकारी means knowledge. लेकिन इसके बावजूद उनका मन शंकालु और बेचैन हो गया. They did not know what Mahanji had told Harihar Kaka, but in spite of that, their mind became doubtful and anxious. They wanted to know why the chief priest has taken him to Thakur Bari. And what did he tell him? Shankalu means doubtful, Bechain means anxious or restless. दरअसल बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी होती हैं जिनकी जानकारी बिना बताए ही लोगों को मिल जाती है. In fact, there are lots of things or lots of things, right? The knowledge of which people get even without them being told about it. शाम गहराते गहराते हरिहर काका के तीनों भाई ठाकुर बारी पहुंचे. As the evening was getting darker or deeper, all the three brothers, they reached ठाकुर बारी. उन्होंने हरिहर काका को वापस घर चलने के लिए कहा and they requested हरि काका to return home. इससे पहले कि हरि काका कुछ कहते, महन जी बीच में आ गए. Before Hari Kaka could say something to them, the chief priest came in between and he said, आज हरि काका को यहीं रहने दो. Today let Hari Kaka stay here. बीमारी से उठा है. He has just got it from sickness or recovered from sickness. इसका मन अशांत है. His mind is disturbed. ईश्वर के दरबार में रहेगा तो शांति मिलेगी. If he stays here, he will get some peace. लेकिन उनके भाई उन्हें घर ले चलने के लिए जिद करने लगे. But his brothers started insisting on taking him home. इस पर ठाकुर बारी के साधु संत उन्हें समझाने लगे. When the sadhu sant saw this, they also started to make them understand. वहां उपस्थित गांव के लोगों ने भी कहा कि एक रात ठाकुरबाड़ी में रह जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. Even the people who were present there, the people of the village, they also said, if Harihar Kaka stays in Thakurbari for one night, what is going to happen? उपस्थित गांव के लोग means present villagers. अंततः भाइयों को निराश ही वहां से लौटना पड़ा. In the end, they had to return from there with disappointment. They could not take him with them. रात में हरिहर काका को भोग लगाने के लिए जो मिष्टान्न और व्यंजन मिले वैसे उन्होंने कभी नहीं खाए थे. In the night, the kind of sweet dishes and other dishes that he got to eat, he had never eaten such food before. घी टपकते मालपुए, रस बुनिया, लड्डू, छेने की तरकारी, dahi, kheer. Now, these are the names of the dishes that he got. He got sweets like malpue, made up of milk, ras bunia, laddu, chhene ki tarkari means vegetables made up with paneer or cheese, dahi, curd, kheer means pudding. All these things were served to him. पुजारी जी ने स्वयं अपने हाथों से खाना परोसा था, and पुजारी जी had served him with his own hands. पास में बैठे महंत जी धर्म चर्चा से मन में शांति पहुंचा रहे थे. And Mahanji, or the chief priest who was sitting next to him, he was talking about religion or discussing about religion and giving him peace. एक ही रात में ठाकुरबाड़ी में जो सुख शांति और संतोष पाया वह अपने अब तक के जीवन में उन्होंने नहीं पाया था. In one night, the amount of happiness and peace that he got, he had never got that in his whole life. इधर तीनों भाई रात भर सो नहीं सके. In his house now, all the three brothers could not sleep the whole night. भावी आशंका उनके मन को मथती रही. भावी आशंका means the uncertainty of future. मथती रही means kept on churning their minds. They kept on thinking about the uncertainty that they are facing in the future because of that mishappening that had happened. 15 बीघे खेत, 15 hectares of fields. इस गांव की उपजाऊ जमीन, the fertile land of this village. उपजाऊ जमीन means fertile land. 2 लाख से अधिक की संपत्ति. Property worth more than 2 lakhs. संपत्ति means property. अगर हाथ से निकल गई तो वो फिर कहीं के न रहेंगे. If they lose it, then it will be a big loss for them. सुबह तड़के ही तीनों भाई पुनः ठाकुरबाड़ी पहुंचे. In the morning, early itself, all the three brothers again reached the ठाकुरबाड़ी. हरिहर काका के पांव पकड़ रोने लगे. They fell on his feet and started crying. अपनी पत्नियों की गलती के लिए माफी मांगी तथा उन्हें दंड देने की बात कही. They asked for forgiveness for the mistakes of their wives and then told him that they would be punished for their misdeeds. दंड देने की बात नहीं, about punishing them. साथ ही खून के रिश्ते की माया फैलाई. Along with that, they even spread the illusion of blood relation. They spoke about blood relation as of how he could leave them and go this way. हरिहर काका का दिल पसीज गया. Children, here दिल पसीज गया, it's another muhavra which means he started feeling sad or kind towards the others. हरिहर काका, he started feeling sad and kind for them. वह पुनः वापस घर लौट आए and he again returned home because of their requests. लेकिन यह क्या? इस बार अपने घर पर जो बदलाव उन्होंने लक्ष्य किया उसने उन्हें सुखद आश्चर्य में डाल दिया. But what is this? This time the kind of changes that he expected in his house that put him in a pleasant surprise. It gave him a pleasant surprise. घर के छोटे बड़े सब उन्हें सिर आंखों पर उठाने को तैयार. Everyone in the house, from the children to the elders, were ready to give him a lot of respect. Children, sir aankhon par uthana is a muhavra, so please learn it by heart. It means किसी को बहुत आदर सम्मान देना, या to give a lot of respect to someone. भाइयों की पत्नियों ने उनके पैर पर माथा रख गलती के लिए क्षमा याचना की. His brothers' wives, they put their forehead on his feet and they requested him to forgive them for their mistakes. फिर उनकी आव भगत और जो खातिर शुरू हुई, वैसी खातिर किसी के यहाँ मेहमान आने पर भी नहीं होती होगी. And then the kind of treatment and welcome and hospitality that he was given, that would not be given to even a guest who is going to someone's house. Av Bhagat means welcome and hospitality khatir treatment. उनकी रुचि और इच्छा के मुताबिक दोनों जून खाना नाश्ता तैयार. According to his interest and wish, both the times food would be ready. रुचि means interest, इच्छा के मुताबिक means according to his wish. दोनों जून means times. 5 महिलाएं उनकी सेवा में मुस्तैद, 3 भाइयों की पत्नियां और 2 उनकी बहुएं. 5 ladies were ready to serve him or always busy serving him. 3 were his brothers' wives and 2 were his daughters-in-law. बहुएं means daughters-in-law. हरिहर काका आराम से दालान में पड़े रहते and हरिहर काका would rest comfortably in the courtyard. जिस किसी चीज की इच्छा होती, आवाज लगाते ही हाजिर. Whenever he wished for something, the moment he would give a sound, it would be presented before him. वे समझ गए थे कि यह सब महंत जी के चलते ही हो रहा है, इसलिए महंत जी के प्रति उनके मन में आदर और श्रद्धा के भाव निरंतर बढ़ते ही जा रहे थे. He understood that all these were happening just because of Mahantji, and that is why his devotion and respect for Mahantji was going on increasing. Nirantar means nirantar बढ़ती जा रहे थे means it was increasing continuously. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बिना किसी के कुछ बताए गांव के लोग असली तथ्य से स्वयं वाकिफ हो जाते हैं. Many a times it happens that even without telling anything, the villagers they become aware of the true facts. Here asli tathya means true facts. वाकिफ हो जाते हैं means they become aware. हरिहर काका की इस घटना के साथ ऐसा ही हुआ. The same thing happened with this incident of हरिहर काका. दरअसल लोगों की जुबान से घटनाओं की जुबान ज्यादा पैनी और असरदार होती है. In fact, more than people's tongue, the tongue of incidents is more sharp and effective. पैनी means sharp, असरदार means effective. घटनाएं स्वयं ही बहुत कुछ कह देती हैं. लोगों के कहने की जरूरत नहीं रहती. The incidents themselves tell a lot of things. People need not tell about them. ना तो गांव के लोगों से महंजी ने ही कुछ कहा था और न हरिहर काका के भाइयों ने ही. Neither did the Mahant speak to the villagers about the incident, nor did Harihar Kaka's brothers. इसके बावजूद गांव के लोग सच्चाई से अवगत हो गए थे. In spite of this, the villagers had become aware of the truth. They came to know about the truth. अवगत हो गए थे means they came to know. सच्चाई means of the truth. इसके बावजूद means in spite of that. फिर तो गांव की बैठकों में बातों का जो सिलसिला चल निकला, उसका कहीं कोई अंत नहीं. Once they came to know about this incident, then the series of talks that happened during the meetings in the village, there was no end to that. Silsila means series. गांव की बैठक means meetings of the village. हर जगह उन्हीं का प्रसंग शुरू. Everywhere these incidents were being discussed. कुछ लोग कहते कि हरिहर काका को अपनी जमीन ठाकुर जी के नाम लिख देनी चाहिए. Few people would say that he should write his property in the name of God. इससे उत्तम और कुछ नहीं. There is nothing better than that. इससे कीर्ति भी अचल बनी रहती है. With this, even the fame he will be having forever. इसके विपरीत कुछ लोगों की मान्यता यह थी कि भाई का परिवार तो अपना ही होता है. As opposed to this, certain other people believed that after all a brother's family is your own. अपनी जायदाद उन्हें न देना उनके साथ अन्याय करना होगा. Not to give your own people your property would be like doing some kind of sort of injustice to the family. खून के रिश्ते के बीच दीवार बनानी होगी. A wall will have to be built between blood relations. Here जायदाद means property. मान्यता means their belief. जितने मुंह उतनी बातें. This means as many people were there, that many talks were there. ऐसा जबरदस्त मसला पहले कभी नहीं मिला था, इसीलिए लोग मौन होना नहीं चाहते थे. Before this, never have they got such a strong issue. That is why people did not want to become quiet about that. Masla means issue, zabardast means strong. अपने अपने तरीके से समाधान ढूंढ रहे थे और प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे कि कुछ घटित हो. Every person was trying to find a solution in his or her own way, and they were waiting that something should happen. समाधान means solution. हालांकि इसी क्रम में बातें गर्माहट भरी भी होने लगी थी. Even though in this order there used to be heated arguments as well. लोग प्रत्यक्ष और परोक्ष रूप से दो वर्गों में बंटने लगे थे. People, they started dividing into two groups. Certain people who were in favor of a particular decision and the other people who were against that particular solution. प्रत्यक्ष means in favor, परोक्ष means against. कई बैठकों में दोनों वर्गों के बीच आपस में तू मैं भी होने लगी थी. In many meetings between two different groups, there used to be even fights on this topic. तू मैं होना is a मुहावरा. It means आपस में लड़ना झगड़ना, to fight with each other. एक वर्ग के लोग चाहते थे कि हरिहर अपने हिस्से की जमीन ठाकुर जी के नाम लिख दे. One class of people wanted that Harihar Kaka should write his property in the name of ठाकुर जी. तब यह ठाकुरबारी न सिर्फ इलाके की ही सबसे बड़ी ठाकुरबारी होगी, बल्कि पूरे राज्य में इसका मुकाबला कोई दूसरी ठाकुरबारी नहीं कर सकेगी. Now, one class of people wanted that Harihar Kaka should write the land in the name of Thakurji, because then it would become one of the biggest Thakurbari, not only in that particular area, but there will be no Thakurbari which could be compared to this one in that state itself. इस वर्ग के लोग धार्मिक संस्कारों के लोग हैं. This class of people who were in favor of this decision, they had traditional beliefs, or sanskar means rituals. They believed in traditional rituals. साथ ही किसी न किसी रूप में ठाकुरबारी से जुड़े हैं. Not only that, they were also connected with ठाकुरबारी in some or the other way. असल में सुबह शाम जब ठाकुरजारी को भोग लगाया जाता है, तब साधु संतों के साथ गांव के कुछ पेटू और चटोर किस्म के लोग प्रसाद पाने के लिए वहां जुट जाते हैं. In fact, in the mornings and evenings when offerings are made to Thakurji, at that time, certain people who were very, greedy, they would, along with the sadhu sant, they collected there in order to get prasad, which they could eat. Petu or chatur kism ke log means those people who were very much interested in eating. ये लोग इसी वर्ग के हिमायती हैं, and these people, they are in favor of, or they support this class. हिमायती है means they support. दूसरे वर्ग में, in the other class, गांव के प्रगतिशील विचारों वाले लोग तथा वैसे किसान हैं जिनके यहाँ हरिहर जैसे औरत मर्द पल रहे होते हैं. The other class of people were those who were having progressive thinking, and as well as farmers in whose houses there were people like Harihar Kaka. गांव का वातावरण तनावपूर्ण हो गया था और लोग कुछ घटित होने की प्रतीक्षा करने लगे थे. The environment of the village had become stressful and people were waiting that something is going to happen. तनावपूर्ण means stressful, घटित होने की प्रति something that is going to take place. इधर भावी आशंकाओं को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हरिहर काका के भाई उनसे यह निवेदन करने लगे थे कि अपनी जमीन वे उन्हें लिख दे। Here in Harihar Kaka's house, keeping in mind the future uncertainties, his brothers started requesting him that he write his land in their name. भावी आशंकाएं means future uncertainties को मद्देनजर रखते हुए means keeping them in mind. निवेदन करने लगे means started requesting. उनके सिवाय उनका और अपना है ही कौन? They told him he did not have anyone else who belongs to him other than his brothers. इस विषय पर हरिहर काका ने एकांत में मुझसे काफी देर तक बात की. And the author says that on this topic, हरिहर काका spoke to him in solitude for a long time. अंततः हम इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचे कि जीते जी अपनी जायदाद का स्वामी किसी और को बनाना ठीक नहीं होगा. And in the end, they reached the conclusion that as long as we are alive, it is not right to make someone else the owner of our property. Swami means owner. चाहे वह अपना भाई या मंदिर का महंत ही क्यों ना हो. Even if it is your own brother or the chief priest of the temple. हमें अपने गांव और इलाके के वे कुछ लोग याद आए जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में ही अपनी जायदाद अपने उत्तराधिकारियों या किसी अन्य को लिख दी थी. And we were reminded of some people in the village who, while they were alive, they wrote and gave away their property to their heirs. लेकिन इसके बाद उनका जीवन कुत्ते का जीवन हो गया. But after that their life became the life of a dog. कोई उन्हें पूछने वाला नहीं रहा. There was no one to ask them about their wellness. There was no well-wisher of theirs. हरिहर काका बिल्कुल अनपढ़ व्यक्ति हैं. फिर भी इस बदलाव को उन्होंने समझ लिया और यह निश्चय किया कि जीते जी किसी को जमीन नहीं लिखेंगे. हरिहर काका is an uneducated man. But he understood the reason for these changes, and then he decided that as long as he is alive, he would not be giving his land to anyone. Unpad means uneducated. अपने भाइयों को समझा दिया, मर जाऊंगा तो अपने आप मेरी जमीन तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. When I die, automatically my land will be yours. जमीन लेकर तो जाऊंगा नहीं. I can't go from this world taking this land with me, right? इसीलिए लिखवाने की क्या जरूरत? So why do you want me to write that this whole land is I'm giving it to you? Why do you want me to write this for you? उधर महन जी भी हरिहर काका की ठोह में रहने लगे. ठोह में रहने लगे means he always was in touch with हरिहर काका, the महंत. जहां कहीं एकांत पाते कह उठते, विलंब न करो हरिहर. Wherever he would find him alone, Mahan ji would tell him, do not delay हरिहर. विलंब ना कर means do not delay. शुभ काम में देर नहीं करते. You should not delay doing an auspicious thing. चल कर ठाकुर जी के नाम जमीन बै कर दो. Please come and register the land in the name of ठाकुर जी. फिर पूरी जिंदगी ठाकुर बारी में राज करो. And then whole life you enjoy in ठाकुर बारी. मरोगे तो तुम्हारी आत्मा को ले जाने के लिए स्वर्ग से विमान आएगा. When you die, to take your soul, plane will come from the heaven. देवलोक को प्राप्त करोगे. You will be taken to Devlok, the place where gods reside. Thank you for watching Rivora Tube. Children, I'll be just covering pages 9 to 12 in my next video. Hope you all understood pages 5 to 8 well. If you have any suggestions, comments, or you want me to present it in some other way, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. See you and bye-bye.